Imagine this. Tonight, you look up at the sky. Everything feels normal. But somewhere far beyond our galaxy, a star just died. And when it died, it released a beam of energy so powerful that if it was aimed at Earth, life would end before we even understood what happened. Not a meteor, not a black hole, something worse. This is the story of the gamma ray burst, the most dangerous cosmic event ever discovered. A gamma ray burst, or GRB, is basically the universe's ultimate weapon. It's a massive explosion, but instead of spreading in every direction, it fires energy in two focused beams, like a cosmic laser. And these beams are made of gamma rays, the most powerful radiation known to science. Gamma rays are so strong, they can pass through your body like it's nothing. But while a normal explosion lasts seconds, a GRB can release more energy in 10 seconds than our sun will release in its entire lifetime. Yes, 10 seconds versus billions of years. Now you might think, supernovas are the biggest explosions, right? Wrong. A supernova is terrifying, but at least its energy spreads out. A gamma ray burst is different. It focuses its destruction into a narrow beam. Meaning, if you're in the path, you don't just get damaged. You get erased. It's like comparing a grenade to a sniper bullet made of pure radiation. So what causes something this deadly? Usually, it happens when a giant star collapses, a star far bigger than our sun. When it runs out of fuel, gravity wins. The star collapses inward, and in many cases, it forms a black hole. But during this collapse, something horrifying happens. The star's core spins rapidly, matter forms a violent disk, and two massive jets of energy shoot out from the poles. That's the gamma ray burst. And those jets travel at almost the speed of light. If you were watching from far away, you'd see a sudden flash, brighter than entire galaxies. Then darkness, because the star is gone. Now here's the terrifying part. Gamma ray bursts don't have to be close. Even if a GRB happens thousands of light years away, it can still destroy life. Because gamma rays are not like normal light. They carry extreme radiation. If a GRB hit Earth directly, the first thing that would happen is our atmosphere would change. The ozone layer would be destroyed. That means the sun's ultraviolet radiation would flood Earth. And once that happens, plants die, oceans die, food chains collapse. Within weeks, Earth becomes a dying world. And humanity? We wouldn't even get time to scream. Now you might be thinking, okay, but has this ever happened near Earth? Scientists believe, yes, there's evidence that mass extinctions on Earth could have been triggered by gamma ray bursts. Because some extinction events happened suddenly, without clear asteroid impact evidence. And GRBs leave almost no physical crater. They don't smash Earth. They poison it. They burn the atmosphere. They rewrite the planet's biology. So it's possible that Earth has already survived one of these cosmic death beams. And we didn't even know. In recent times, scientists have detected gamma ray bursts so powerful that they overloaded space instruments. Some GRBs were visible across billions of light years. One famous event was so bright that it was called the brightest of all time. Even though it happened far away, it still shocked astronomers. Because it reminded humanity of one truth. We live in a universe that can kill planets instantly. So can humans survive a gamma ray burst? Honestly, if it hits Earth directly, probably not. We can hide underground. We can build shelters. But we can't protect the atmosphere. And without the atmosphere, Earth becomes a radiation-filled desert. The only chance would be if it was far enough, or if the beam wasn't aimed at us. And that's the scariest part. GRBs are not like asteroids. Asteroids can be tracked. GRBs? They happen suddenly, without warning. So why are we still alive? Because gamma ray bursts are rare, and the universe is huge. Most GRBs happen far away, in galaxies we'll never reach. And their beams are narrow. So even if a GRB happens near us, it has to be aimed exactly at Earth. That's like shooting a laser across the galaxy and hitting a single grain of sand. We are alive because the universe missed. But remember this, every night sky you see is full of stars. And some of those stars will die violently. One day, somewhere in the cosmos, a gamma ray burst will happen again. And if Earth is unlucky, we won't even see it coming. Because the deadliest explosions in the universe don't make sound, they make silence. If you enjoyed this cosmic horror, subscribe to Celestial Voyager, because space isn't peaceful. Space is terrifying.